Hello children, standard 7. We have completed the objectives of the constitution. This is completed in the class. In today's class, we are going to start with the features of the constitution. Okay, features of the constitution of India. So if the question is only what are the features of the constitution of India, then you see our constitution is a written constitution. Our constitution is the largest constitution. It is both flexible and rigid and flexible. It is federal. It has got a federal form of government. It provides parliamentary system. It provides fundamental rights. It provides directive principles of state policy, single citizenship, and universal adult franchise. Okay, so these are the features of the constitution. Now, what type of constitution we are having? We have written constitution. Indian constitution is a written constitution. That means the other country, we have some countries which are having unwritten constitution. Yes, Britain. Britain is having unwritten constitution. The British people have an uncodified constitution, as there is no single document that can be classed as a British constitution. Then how the people follow their constitution? They follow laws, customs, conventions which are built up over the years. So here you have to know that what type of constitution we are having. We are having a written constitution. The next is the largest constitution. Indian constitution is the largest constitution. Now it is the lengthiest constitution in the world. The Indian constitution is the lengthiest constitution in the world because originally it had 395 articles and 8 schedules, and it was divided into many different parts originally. Okay. The next we have both rigid and flexible. Our constitution is both. It is rigid also and it is flexible also, means some parts of it can be easily changed by our parliamentarians in the parliament via simple majority. Some parts it's very difficult to change. Some articles it's very difficult to change of our constitution. It requires a special majority in our parliament. Next we have federal form of government. So our constitution provides for a federal form of government wherein both the central government and the state government govern the country. There is also clear division of power between the central government and the state government. The central government governs the whole country, whereas the state government governs a particular state. And laws made by a state are applied only within that state only. Okay. Next we have parliamentary system. So here our constitution establishes a parliamentary form of government. What form of government? Parliamentary form of government, both at the center as well as in the states. Okay. So here the central government is answerable to the parliament, which consists the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. At a state government, a state government is answerable to the state legislature. A state government is answerable to the state legislature consisting the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. So here there is a nominal head of the state also. That is, the president is known as a nominal head of the state. Okay, and the real head of the state is the prime minister. And there is also independence between the three organs of the government: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. Fundamental rights. Our constitution guarantees the fundamental rights. That means fundamental rights, which are the basic rights to all its citizens, these rights are guaranteed by our constitution. So as these rights are the basic in nature, are required to lead a dignified life, they are known as a fundamental rights, and they cannot be taken away from anybody. If any violation occurs regarding fundamental right, it can be restored via the law courts. Next, we have directive principles. Now, directive principles of state policy are mentioned in part 3 of our constitution, and it includes certain principles which the government of the day need to follow, as well as certain ideals which the government should aim to achieve. This means directive principle act as guiding principle of policy making. Single citizenship. We all are citizens of India. Since we all are born in India, so we are citizen of India. The Constitution of India provides a single citizenship, a common citizenship to all the Indians. Okay, so in other words, in our country, we cannot have the citizenship of the state. We live in as a case of the US citizenship. USA, we have double citizenship. But in India, though we are having so many states, but in India, what type of citizenship we are having? Single citizenship. And the last we have universal adult franchise. Means all adult citizens of the country who have attained a certain age, presently 18 years or above, in our country have the right to vote and choose their representatives for the government, irrespective of caste, religion, gender, or status. So, in today's class, I explained to you the features of the Constitution. I have explained all that in detail, all the features in detail. So, please learn. Thank you.